Hello everyone, and Chiranjeev is back with new video, and today we are going to install Wireshark, which is very important for networking and packet tracer. Let's go to Google and just search Wireshark download, and the first link, the official one is the first link, and we click on it. And now let's see, and we have to download it for Windows, so I will choose the first option, x64 installer. Now let's open Wireshark setup file, and it will show something like this. You have to just click on next and next, and here in components, if you want other options like Android dump, RAND dump, UDP dump, so you can download it from here, but I will leave it as default. Now just click on next, and you can change the download location. I would rather we make it default one, and that's next. With Wireshark, npcap is also downloaded with it. Hit on install button and wait for a few minutes. I would be rather playing a deathmatch for Valorant. In between, it asks for npcap installation. You have to just click on next. Don't need to worry for anything. Until it's getting downloaded, let me play Valo. EDM is also done and installation is also be done. Now let's hit on next, and let's open Wireshark application, and bingo, we have installed Wireshark, and now you can start capturing packets. Until next time, peace out.